All right, everybody. There's a lot of debate over removing things from windshields on customers' vehicles, and everybody has their own way of doing it. We found a pretty good way. We're not breaking any glass. We're not damaging anything. Actually, any of these plastic wedges are good. This is from a company called Muller Krups. They're on the internet. You can buy their stuff on Amazon. Their wedge is it's made out of some really good plastic, but this is how we use it to remove a small dash camera. Underneath, just constantly on each side of the edge, just keep pushing, side, center, back to the side, keep pushing, and if you'll see, it's even like keeping some of the glue off of it. That's pretty much it. So this is what you use. This is what you can use to take anything off of any windshield that has 3M or adhesive of the like on it. So again, guys, the same thing, same tool. We want to get this adhesive off the windshield underneath the window and just gently push on it. And again, I'm not prying. Do not use this as a pry tool. Any tool on the glass is as a pry tool. Just kind of gently let this come down a little bit and push on the adhesive. As I'm pushing on the adhesive, this is actually starting to come off. So now I can actually gently take my hand and pull down on it. And this 3M is even coming off of it, and it's not leaving much film. We can clear this film off later for the customer with a razor before she leaves. And that's pretty much it. So again, don't break glass when you're removing adhesive or devices from it.